Hey guys, welcome to my next video of Bash Shell scripting tutorial for beginners. Now let's get started. Today let's see how we can read a file using a while loop. So here we will be reading the contents of a file to the variable text and then we'll be printing it. You can use the less than symbol and you can give the file name. I'll give the same name. Okay, so this method of giving the file is known as input redirection. So now let's save and run this. So as you can see, the contents of this file has been printed here. So now instead of using input redirection, let's try to read the file contents directly into the variable. As you know, the cat command will read the contents of this file, and the contents on the left hand side of the pipe will be taken as input to the right hand side. So now let's save and run this. As you can see, we got the same output again. Here without the R flag, the backslashes are treated as escape characters and they can be used to escape special characters. So with flag R, backslashes are treated as literal characters. Here the IFS stands for internal field separator. This sets the internal field separator to an empty string here. By doing this, you're telling the bash to consider the entire line as a single field rather than splitting into fields based on other spaces or other characters. This can be used when you want to read a full line of text without splitting it at all. Now let's save and run this. So as you can see here, we got the same output. Here the value of IFS is not equal to read. It is equal to the space given here. You can also write it as. Now let's save and run this again. As you can see, we got the same output. Now let's see how we can execute a few commands using the for loop. Now let's run this. So as you can see, first we have the output of the date command, then we have output of the pwd command, then we have output of the ls command. So what happens here? So first the value of the command variable becomes date, then it goes down, it prints star and date, and then it goes down, and this line will execute the command, and then it goes back up. The value of command is now changed to pwd. It prints pwd, then it executes the pwd command, and then the value of command is now changed to ls. It prints ls, and then ls is executed here. Now let's write a script that will print all the files in our current working directory. The asterisk here is the wildcard. What it does is it iterates to every element in the directory. Now let's save and run this. So as you can see, new.sh and test.txt was printed. Now let's modify this script to print all the directories present in the current working directory. So as you can see, there is one directory which is test over here. Now let's create a few more directories and try this again. So as you can see here, now all the 3 directories have been printed. So I hope you guys have understood how to read a file using the while loop and how to execute commands using the for loop. So thank you for watching my video. Stay tuned for more.